It's Friday night. We're here at the mall. Just gone to the mall to have a haircut. But look guys, I'm so ugly. It's growing so quick. It's so ugly.
I've missed you guys so much.
Yeah, we miss you guys. Hope you're not get angry at us. But we put on another video. Yes, this is my fault. We always like taro in Samoa. We eat taro every time. Just take 4 free. Nalapot.
Le kalo le nga ko sa mo yo mga kama. Kalo mo isko kai.
Di fa piedi on kalo mo kama.
La bayan ko.
Taro le ola poso le rin ko.
Ole taro mai sale aula susu talo sale aula.
It's the mapo taro from the papa. Lava fuel. All in one.
Hi guys, y'all haven't seen us for a minute. Oh, my apple. See, this is the men of this generation. It will
Man of generation. Doesn't matter. In Samoa, finger boy who fuck out doesn't matter.
Había con ile mea yo con yo ro calor.
Get about nothing.
Leva ka un selele avaro kam.
Abao samai ku sile.
Kau kuri avaro sam.
Ku ku po ai mau samari la.
Ore vanga ki o samari ia. We just finished cutting Ossi's hair. Bless you. I think you look like a fat Oompa Loompa.
What?
I'm just joking. My lips are cracking.
Why?
Because they're so dry.
No.
Good morning, everyone. We're off to Ossi's game. Oh, me and my little man here peeking out. Hello. Oh. Hello.
He's really long. He's really long. What? Yeah, he's tall.
Hi, Ossi. How was your game?
So good.
Hi, viewers. Happy on fleek.
Because I thought you didn't pay the box.
I just straightened my hair. And my husband said I look so beautiful. What a jealous guys. Did you hear them? They told me to kapungi my nguku.
It's Saturday night. But we're going with my wifey to
beautiful wifey.
Beautiful wifey, beautiful wifey, beautiful. Going to have some shop. A little shop. You know, guys, I play for 3 games today, but it's a little bit sore for me. Oh, you can massage it. So good. You got foot.
We came to buy some dinners because I feel like sleeping in new dinners tonight because it gets like to -3, -2, -1 and my poor husband has to wake up so early to go to work in that cold.
Yeah, I always wake early every day.
Whatever, I wake up as well because that's the time I get up.
You sleep, you wake up at 7.
No, I wake up at 6. Like I wake up not maybe 10 minutes after he leaves so that I can have my breakfast. And I've been doing so well on my diet. And I'm so proud of myself.
Yeah, I'm so proud of her. Doing so well, okay?
And came on. But today at Aussie's game, I left my drink bottle at the canteen. My 2-litre drink bottle I showed you guys. I look like I'm really hot, but I'm really not. I'm really cold.
Very cold.
Oh, I like this one, honey.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Or even this one.
No.
What do you reckon? What about that one? The blue one.
There.
No, I don't like that colour. It's ugly. I like a neutral one because it's not just for a girl, it's for both of us. Like this.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to take this one? Yeah?
Maya?
Alright. I think we need more pillows because I'm sick of just having one. Well, we need more pillowcases. That's for our pillows at home. We'll take 2 black ones because it suits the thing. Ugh, I should be a interior designer.
You are the designer of
Babe, mga ilmele piquero muri. Turn around. Mga ilmele piquero muri.
Oh, jam kurung.
Yeah?
Jam kurung. Dikit-dikit ay.
Piang usa pipe fo inga yo. Kanga ku ilong kuya ko uro kai nifo. I'm looking for a water bottle similar to the 2-litre one that I had, and I don't have any. That's the biggest one. They only have 1-litre ones. I'll just have to buy another one.
Hi guys, we finished buying some. Hi guys, we finished buying some.
Pillow fight! Pillow fight!
Stop. I'm gonna call you.
Make me.
Make you.
No!
Come here to Woolies. Buy some water bottle for this lady. She left her water bottle at the Oval. Now waste of money, man. Waste of money.
Can you buy me some pure coconut rolls, please?
No, it's not help.
Yes, it is, honey. This is new.
Oh.
What do you mean it's not healthy? Go so that we could have a turn on those chairs. So I'm sitting on the elevator because I want to go home, but Siaosi wants to wait for them to get off. So I guess we're waiting. Kino guy, he said his back is really sore from rugby today because he played like 3 games. You finally on? Yes! Ow, it's hurting me. I don't think my butt crack needs to be massaged. Ow! No, it's not, honey. Oh my god, this hurts. I'm gonna sue them if I have a broken back.
That's good. It's only $2, but it's so nice.
Guys, it's been like an hour after we had those massage chairs because we've been sitting here at the mall. Those girls that were waiting there, on Siaosi's chair, she left her Samsung S6 and Siaosi found it. So we came to the car, it was flat. and we charged it because we knew that once they realized they left their phone, they would come back to look for it. So I've been sitting here in the car park waiting for them to realize. She finally called, the friend that she was with called the phone and was like, hey girl, I was like, my Facebook stalking was like on point. I actually found them on Facebook. I messaged the friend, but she didn't respond. Then they called the phone again, and then I was like, yeah, we've been waiting here for so long, come and get your phone. And we just feel like such a good Samaritans. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Yeah, I saw her checking the phone to see if everything was there. I was like, girl, we wouldn't give you your phone and take your money. It's all there. She said to Siaosi if we had a number that she could contact us back on, so she could pay us. And what did you say, honey?
No worries.
No worries, mate. Because I've lost my phone a couple of times, and I would have really appreciated it if somebody did that for me. So that's a little message for you viewers. Do unto others as you would like to be done unto you. So I'm gonna pick comment of the day. Okay, I'm gonna pick it by random. Okay, I got, well, this is 2 comments in one, because this person copied and pasted Usomex Martins, but it was Trina Yo. Warning, don't ever put your finger in Samoan vlogger's camera, lol, or else you will get your maka fula. Get him, Siaosi, lol, stupid balang, you need slaps. And then Usomex Martin, because I did see that was Usomex Martin's comment at first, and then Usomex was like, Trina Yo, bolo. Usomex, bro. Bolo. Don't copy and paste other people's comment. Be original. Kill. Shaking my head. Malo Usomex. Anyways, guys, we love you guys. We miss you. Bye, everyone.